Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on April 22nd, 2020. It is currently 4:26. Day is over, and we're looking at today's price action and what happened. So today was choppy, was definitely moving up. We gapped up pretty hard across the board, and markets opened up, and it kind of just chopped around for most of the day. That late afternoon got a little busier, which set up a couple trades. But today for me was not great. I was struggling a bit, and it's mainly because of one or two trades. But other than that, I thought I did okay. I thought I was finding some good setups. So let's just go through each one. These are the stocks I watched today. ATIF was gapping up. You can see this is a little light gray area is the pre-market action. It was gapping up from 2 to 4 and just kind of fell off. So I never took that one. BLPH did a similar action. Definitely made its move. It was gapping up and it climbed up to 1534 before pulling back and kind of doing its thing the rest of the day. BNTX, big mover, but I did look for a trade, got skipped over on this 54 break here. I was looking right here and it jumped me. I never got in the trade, so I let that one go. This is the rug pull of the day, BOSC. You can see it gapped up all the way to 425, and here's the opening candle here. These are 5-minute candles, but between these two candles, I jumped in early, very whippy, got in the break of the candle, and it's hard to see because it's a 5-minute, but if there were 2 minutes, it just completely fell against me right out of the gate for a 30-cent loss. And you can see I took a $56 loss on this one. So that was one trade. Beyond Meat was a break of these candles here, which is the 50, right here. I didn't take it. On this case, I did take it. I'm sorry, I took it here on the 58.50, and it just kind of flushed back down, and I stopped myself out for 100 shares for a $20 loss. Cake, I was eyeing up pretty good. At what time was that? I was eyeing it up. It was not Cake. Chewy, I was lined up at the 45.50 level here, the break here. Pretty good setup, but did not take that. COCP, nothing. Codex on the market. So Eat was the one I was watching, not Cake. I was looking for the break of this 1640 level. It did break here, and it went all the way to 1662, which is a nice move. We had a nice seller there, so I could have taken that trade, but I did not. Expedia was probably the trade of the day that I missed. It was early on. You don't see that. Remember, these are 5-minute candles. There's a 2-minute candle break here. You could have taken the break at this inside 5, and look at that move. It actually moved all the way up to 64.10. I got 60 cents out of it, so that was my nice move for $62.90. Fro, not much happening on that one. ICD. We'll go down. Netflix, NNVC. No. PEC was a nice trading day for some people if you caught the early moves. I tried getting in and it just gapped up too fast and halted. I missed that one pretty good. PSTI was the one that kind of threw me off. It was the break of this candle here, the inside 972, and kind of got me in and then dropped right off and took a hit on that one for $51.96. So not a good trade there. Roku I was watching early on. I have these alerts in here. I'm going to remove those. For the break here, these candles, this price level here, I got a little bit of action. I was a little bit slow, a little bit choppy, so I just kind of get out because it wasn't a great setup. And I just want to make sure I didn't lose big on this. SAEX was a pain in the ass. This is the one I had 2 losers on and 1 winner. So I only lost $40 altogether. But I was looking for, so you can see there's a 5-minute candle break here. But I was looking for the inside bar on a 2-minute to break here. And it only went up like 10 cents or 8 cents in my favor maybe before wrapping down pretty good. And it tried again, and then it wrapped back down. So I missed that one. 3 trades on this. It was pretty stupid. I will not be doing that again. for a $40 loss. Snap was probably my biggest trade that I was watching today. It has a ton of volume, so it's the only problem, but it had a lot of news and it was up 37%, so a lot of short covering going on here. You can see here we got up to the 16 level here. And we came back to the 16 level again. So I took a 16 long, got out along the way of 16 to 1630, and I held a little bit, but it just dropped off, so I had to sell the rest. But I could have taken this next move up, because then look what happened. It went all the way up to 1722. Well, now that's after hours, but 17, we'll call it 1715. Just a gradual climb. Kind of a boring trader, but when you have a lot of more buyers and sellers, it's going to do that, and it worked out pretty good. So I took $38 out of that one. Zoom, definitely could have taken more of this, but I only took I was looking at this play here, 51 level. On this candle, took the long, and I got out almost too soon. Only 31 cents in my favor, pretty much, and then it continued all the way up to 52.28. So I missed out on some of that as well. So that pretty much sums up my trades for the day. $31 on that one. Ended up being like a $34 losing day. Not terrible, but I think at the most it was down 80, but I was never in the green all day. So I was kind of fighting back, but not risking too much to really get back, because I didn't want to go down some kind of spiral. I just wanted to just continue with what I'm doing, take small trades, learn the systems, and then, once I get my new platform and stuff, I should be good to go. So this is Rich for some price action for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Subscribe, leave some questions, and I will be back tomorrow. Have a good one.